Welcome back to Distribute Production. This is Chen Lin and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, I'm gonna generate a 3D print from my previous episode, Among Us, the Red Player. So I'm gonna color it, I'm gonna make it into figurine, and I'm gonna display it into my gallery. So before we jump right in, remember I asked you guys if the Red Player is the imposter. You'll get the answer by the end of the episode. So like and subscribe, and let's just jump right in. Welcome back, and there you have it. That is my design of my Among Us the Red Player, and it was generated from 2D into CGR into 3D prints. And they took me a long time, and if you missed any of those episodes, go search for it and you will enjoy it. And here I have a special thanks to my friend Noah, and he was the one that provided me with the monster design, and his inspiration was from COVID-19, and he was able to generate a monster, actually 2 monsters out of it, and I figured they look really good together. So I invite him to tag along with my design, and they just look so sick together. And yes, the details are amazing, the texture are amazing, and wow, they just perfect match. So is the red player the imposter? The answer is no. This is the version before he got infected, so the real infected version should be coming soon in the near future. So that's it, and before we end the video, thank you, like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Chen Lin, signing out.